Hi, so today I want to talk about specifically for pharma industry and life sciences. So, how our Salesforce connectors can help you in this. Now, let's talk the problem what we commonly see in this industry. So, usually, pharmaceutical companies or life sciences companies they take their products out to the hospitals or the service providers and promote it. They educate the doctors there and show the value what they bring in, the efficacy of the drug, and they market their product. So that's how the traditional marketing works in this ecosystem. Now, what we see is all the list of hospitals, the providers, uh, the doctors, everything is maintained in the CRM system. In this case, it's Salesforce, and it's all being managed there. So when someone a rep goes and meets them, they go and log the meeting, what happened, what they have presented, and so on. Now, when you take about all the marketing materials, the data sheet, everything, so that lies somewhere in their content management system or their digital asset management system, right? Now, probably there are few companies out there who have created a dedicated app for tablets and such way where they can open it and present such documents, but you get the problem, right? It's two different apps. You have to update all the meeting notes, the event, all the information in your CRM system, but the documents and everything from another. So that creates an overhead for the representative to manage and juggling between different systems. So what this connector can do is it can help unify everything and bring everything uh, where your representatives work all day long. That is your CRM system, Salesforce. Now let me give a quick demo of the same. So let me go on to my Salesforce system. So this is why Salesforce I have logged in, and if you look at there is products available for me here. So I'm interested in my company product, which is Selviron. I want to see uh, all the products about my company, right? So let me just filter it out. Now here is all my products available as part of my org, and which I have access to, right? Predominantly, and I'm interested in the specific drug, Selviron EMPA. So this is an type 2 diabetic drug. So if I go details of this particular drug, you can see all the information about it and so on. And you can also see there is a new column called documents or the tab called documents. If I go to that, so now this is gonna bring all the contents from my content management system. It could be your DAM or your content server. It's up to you, your choice, right? Now the connector, what it does is it brings up all the information from that which is associated with the specific product, right? So here, since I have administrative privileges, I can even go and directly upload a new asset to this product, manage everything from here. But for an not so privileged users, they won't be able to do those operations, but just can preview all the assets attached to this product. Now let's go to the next menu, right, which is product assignments. Usually what happens is uh, not all the reps sell uh, all the products which is being offered, right? So there could be specialist who's handling certain products and so on. Now if you want to do all those assignments, this is where you can do so. So if I come to product assignments, so if you look at the assignment for EMPA, it is assigned to me, Alex, and in the specific locality, right? So all sorts of assignments with city who's taking care of the product marketing, uh, the hospitals who's taking care of a specific contact, all those can be managed and mapped here, right? Now let's move on to the event scheduling part. So this is where a representative might spend their lot of time in it, right? So you can see in my calendar there is already a lot of events booked for this week. I'm packed. right? So let's go here and book one more meeting for Tuesday. I know that's going to be tough, but let me go and schedule one. So I can go here and say I want to create a doctor appointment, right? Let me make it big, right? I can select, hey, it's a doctor visit. I can select the hospital name. Probably I'll select TriStar. So I'm gonna say TriStar Skyline Medical Hospital visit. Yeah. And I'm gonna select myself. I'm the owner who's gonna all the rep who's gonna go and meet this hospital. I need 30 minutes. I should be good with that. Select next. And in that hospital there are a couple of doctors who are working, so I want to meet Michael this time. So I'm going to selecting Michael, and I'm going to select all the products which I want to showcase to this doctor, right? So I'm going to search for EMPA. So here it is. I can select multiple, but today I'm focused only on this product which I'm going to demonstrate or promote it to Michael. So I'm gonna put, I want to meet him on Tuesday, probably around 4 p.m. Yeah, all good. So I'm gonna create this. So uh, yeah, it might take a minute. So let me refresh. Yeah, so here it is, right? So the event has been created and all set. Now, let's say we have gone to the TriStar Skyline Hospital and I want to present it. Usually, the reps would carry a tablet from which they can easily present than a bulky laptop. So, let me simulate that and show how it would look like. Right? So, let me cast my phone screen and show how things would look like. So, let me bring up my screen. This is ideally going to happen in an I would say uh, in a tablet, but unfortunately I don't have a tablet at this moment, so let me mirror it from my phone. Here we go. So let me go and access my events from the menu. So here it is, and if you look at today's schedule, 4 p.m. So that's the event what we created just now. So I'm gonna go into it. I'm at TriStar Hospital, TriStar Skyline Hospital, and I'm visiting Michael. So I can see all the details around it, and you can also see there is a menu called Media. So when I open that, so it's gonna show me all the products I handle, right? Not only the EMPA, what we just selected for this meeting, but it shows everything. So this is because we see an opportunity where I can also promote my other products. I would, right? So you can see all the different documents available for each product category. So today I'm going to focus on EMPA. So I want to present this brochure. So let me click that. So this is gonna bring up my brochure, right? The latest approved version from my org, and it opens that up. So I can go here, present all those items, uh, talk with them, talk about my efficacy of the drug, promote it, and I'm all set. So that's how it works. And the cool thing about it, once this is presented and done, when I go back into my Salesforce, right? So here is my Salesforce event. If I go back here, I should be able to see my meeting digest, right? So you can look at my event history. So I went in, I met the doctor, all those things are available. I didn't type a word, right? But the system was automatically able to capture, hey, this material was presented by me for Michael, right? So this is what the system can track, and this information is available in both the places, in your content server or your DAM, and also in Salesforce, where we can see how best your presentation is performing, how much time people have been presenting, the reps have been presenting to the doctor, how it's been received, everything. So that's a quick demo of this connector and how it can help you solve the problems in pharma and life sciences industry. Thank you.